Hello friends, today we start chapter number 2, that is what? Polynomial. This chapter we already learned in standard 9. We are having basic idea about what? Polynomial. Polynomial means what? Okay, it is denoted by what? Px, right? Px is equals to ax plus b, or you can say px is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, right? Now this is the general form of what? Polynomial, right? Now first we understand the degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial, right? The degree of a polynomial means what? Suppose we are having polynomial, right? So in that polynomial, the highest power of that px, that x, means the polynomial is given in the form of what? X. The highest power of x, that is called what? Degree of that polynomial, right? The highest power of x of px is called degree of a what? Polynomial. Let me take one example. Suppose px is equals to 3x plus 2. This is one polynomial. In that, the maximum power of x is what? 1. That's why the degree is what? Over here, degree is what? 1. Right? The definition is the highest power of x of px of given polynomial is called what? Degree of a polynomial. Let me take second example. Px is equals to x square plus x plus 5. Over here, the highest power is what? 2 of what? X. That's why the degree is what? 2. Now you understand the concept of degree of what? Polynomial. The highest power of x is called what? Degree of a polynomial. Now on the basis of this degree, we are having different types of what? Polynomial. So let me start types of what? Polynomial. In that, first one, that is linear polynomial. First we define what? Linear polynomial. Now linear polynomial means what? A polynomial with degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Is called a what? Linear polynomial. A polynomial with degree what? 1. Right? Degree is what? 1. Then that polynomial is called what? Linear polynomial. Let me take general form of that linear polynomial. First we write general form, that is px is equals to ax plus b. So this is the general form of what? Linear polynomial. Let me write one example, that is px is equals to 4x plus 5. Over here degree is what? 1. That's why this polynomial is called what? Linear polynomial. Right? Now second one, that is quadratic polynomial. Now quadratic polynomial, similarly we define, right, according to linear polynomial. A polynomial with degree what? 2. Polynomial with degree what? 2 is called a what? Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial with degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Now the general form of quadratic polynomial is px is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general form, and we will also write one example, that is px is equals to 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This is the example of a quadratic polynomial. Now third one, that is cubic polynomial. A polynomial with degree what? In linear 1, in quadratic 2, and in cubic we have to remember what? A polynomial with degree what? 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Is called a what? Cubic polynomial. Now we write general form of cubic polynomial, that is px is equals to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Let me take one example also, that is px is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 5. So this is one example of what? Cubic polynomial. So these are the three types of polynomial: linear, quadratic and cubic. We have to simply remember, linear means degree 1, quadratic means quadratic means degree 2, and cubic means degree what? 3. So these are the three types of what? Polynomial: linear, quadratic and cubic. Now we understand zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial, right? Now zero of a polynomial means what? Suppose we are having polynomial, right? And in that polynomial, whatever number we put, an answer we get what? 0. Then that number is called what? Zero of that polynomial, right? So over here let me take a k, right? A real number k is said to be a zero of a polynomial px if pk is equals to what? 0. Means polynomial px, k is 0 when if pk is equals to what? 0. Let me take one example. Suppose px is equals to x square minus 4, right? In that, if we take x is equals to what? 2, then p2, that is equals to 2 square minus 4, that is equals to 4 minus 4, that is equals to what? 0. Means if we put 2, then answer is what? 0. So that 2 is what? 0 of our what? Polynomial, right? So therefore 2 is the zero of what? Px, right? So this is what? 0 of a polynomial. Clear?